66 million years ago, a cataclysmic event reshaped life on Earth. An asteroid, estimated to be 6 miles wide, slammed into the Yucatan Peninsula near present-day Chicxulub, Mexico. The impact released an unimaginable amount of energy, equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, detonating simultaneously. This event marked the end of the Cretaceous period and the beginning of the Paleogene period. The impact instantly vaporized the asteroid and a vast area of the Earth's crust, ejecting trillions of tons of molten rock and debris into the atmosphere and beyond. The shockwaves from the impact triggered earthquakes and volcanic eruptions across the globe, reshaping the planet's surface. The impact also generated tsunamis hundreds of feet high that raced across the oceans, devastating coastlines thousands of miles away. The immediate aftermath of the impact was a scene of unimaginable destruction. The air became superheated, igniting wildfires that raged across continents. The skies darkened as dust and debris choked the atmosphere, blocking out the sun and plunging the Earth into a prolonged period of darkness and cold. This impact winter would have lasted for months or even years, disrupting plant life and causing temperatures to plummet globally. The Chicxulub impact was a turning point in Earth's history, marking the end of the reign of the dinosaurs and paving the way for the rise of mammals. The event serves as a stark reminder of the power of nature and the fragility of life on our planet. The immediate aftermath of the Chicxulub impact was a period of unimaginable chaos and destruction. The impact triggered a chain reaction of catastrophic events that devastated the planet and its inhabitants. One of the most immediate effects was the widespread wildfires ignited by the superheated air and ejected debris. The intense heat from the impact ignited forests and grasslands across the globe, releasing massive amounts of smoke and ash into the atmosphere. These wildfires raged for months, if not years, consuming vast swaths of vegetation and releasing billions of tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This sudden influx of greenhouse gases would have contributed to a period of intense global warming in the aftermath of the impact. Another immediate consequence of the impact was the formation of giant tsunamis. The impact generated waves hundreds of feet high that radiated outwards from the impact site. These tsunamis would have inundated coastal areas across the globe, destroying ecosystems and reshaping coastlines. Evidence of these mega tsunamis can be found in geological deposits around the world, preserving the destructive power of these waves. The impact also triggered intense volcanic activity as the shock waves from the impact reverberated through the Earth's crust. This volcanic activity released massive amounts of molten rock, ash, and toxic gases into the atmosphere, further contributing to the global environmental catastrophe. These eruptions would have continued for thousands of years, spewing out lava flows that reshaped landscapes and releasing gases that altered the composition of the atmosphere. The combined effects of these catastrophic events created a hostile environment for life on Earth. The skies were choked with dust and debris, blocking out sunlight and causing temperatures to plummet. The air was filled with toxic gases, making it difficult to breathe. The oceans were acidified and depleted of oxygen, making it difficult for marine life to survive. The Chicxulub impact had transformed Earth into a desolate wasteland. The Chicxulub impact triggered one of the most severe mass extinction events in Earth's history, wiping out an estimated 76% of all plant and animal species. This extinction event, known as the Cretaceous-Paleogene (KPG) extinction event, marked the end of the Mesozoic era and the beginning of the Cenozoic era. The impact's devastating effects rippled through the food chain, causing a cascade of extinctions. With the sun blocked out, plants died off, depriving herbivores of their food source. As herbivores perished, carnivores that depended on them also succumbed to starvation. The collapse of ecosystems was swift and widespread, affecting both terrestrial and marine environments. Among the most notable casualties of the KPG extinction event were the non-avian dinosaurs. These magnificent creatures, which had dominated the planet for over 180 million years, were wiped out in a geological instant. The impact's effects were simply too catastrophic for them to survive. The KPG extinction event was a selective one, sparing some groups while decimating others. While the non-avian dinosaurs perished, some smaller, feathered dinosaurs survived. These survivors, the ancestors of modern birds, possessed adaptations that allowed them to weather the environmental catastrophe. The KPG extinction event serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of life on Earth and the devastating consequences of catastrophic events. It also highlights the resilience of life as new species evolve to fill the ecological niches left vacant by the extinction.